warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the College of Education. I am Janisa Santina and I am Kabugat Sigamia. So we're here at the annex. Siya ang natuloy namin para sa interview and still here in York College and here.
Assalamualaikum. So my name is Marceta Obra from the College of Business Administration and Accountancy, Department of Human Resource Management, and currently a first year, do I say second year regular?
So the first question is,
actually, I really love to learn. As a student, you have these ways and ideas paano mo kumbaga yung pag-aaralan mo. Hindi ka lang mag-base sa libro. Like, preferably na libro talaga yung pinaaral natin. Okay lang naman din naman pag walang work. Sinistra lang ako. Actually, on my part, when it comes to participating extracurricular na naging extracurricular. Yes, preferably na one of the hindi magandang habit na naka-influence when it comes to major in the culture is yung parang feeling na mas mahalaga yung grades mo kaysa sa health mo na hindi ka na natutulog na yun na yung naging habit mo and at the same time na parang naging culture mo na yun as a student. Para ma-relieve ko yung stress ko is basically yung ginagawa ko is basta positive thinking and at the same time na yung kumbaga na magkaroon ng parang peace or like for example is pumunta sa golf, yung walang maingay, then at the same time mag-attend sa mga stress management. As a HR student is tinuturo sa amin how to handle the kind of situation. Siyempre, lagi naman family yung nag-motivate. Pero and at the same time, as an individual is, nagmo-motivate din sa iyo na parang you need to finish this study kasi na, may pangarap ka, not just makatulong sa parents mo, but, para rin at the same time na mga gusto mong fulfill sa sarili mo na, kailangan ko magtapos. Like that kasi na yun nga na hindi lang about sa sarili mo kasi ngayon is in society natin yung status mo as a person na kung ano yung natapos mo.
So I'm Unica Luisas de Torres from the College of Agriculture, BS Agribusiness, and I'm a first year student. That's more on, di ba ngayon, medyo high-tech na yung mga students. More on cell phones, PDF, ganon. Ako kasi mas nakakapag-focus ako pag meron akong reading materials, ganon. Kasi pag sa cellphone ako nag-study, yung ilang minutes lang, like 2 minutes, around 2 minutes, napupunta na ako sa FB, sa ML. Ayun, so mas nakakapag-focus ako talaga pag binabasa ko ng paulit-ulit, tsaka pag nakikita ko talaga siya, at tsaka yun, parang naririnig ko ganun, while binabasa ko. Ako, pag nag-handle ako ng stress or pressure is, ang ginagawa ko is nagsusulat lang ako ng spoken poetry, ganon. O kaya, mga novels, ganon. Kasi, yun lang talaga yung hobby ko since, elementary pa lang ako. Kaya, pag talaga stress ako, dun ako. Isa pa, pag sobrang stress na talaga ako, pag hindi ko na kinakaya talaga, like halos dumadating na ako sa point na parang papunta na ako sa depression. Pumupunta ako sa sa beach, sa dagat, ganun. Kasi wala, trip ko lang na doon ko isisigaw lahat ng ko, ng galit ko, stress ko. So if usapang challenges, siguro naman wala kasi nag-college ako kasi MSU, 'di ba? So parang Muslim area siya. So parang ano na siya, normalize na talaga yung mga, kasi karamihan talaga ng student dito is Muslim, di ba? So kung challenges wala, pero kung advantages marami, kasi ako kasi yung yung tipo ng na hindi marunong parang hindi marunong makipag-socialize. Oo. Hindi ako pala kaibigan ganun. So, ang ano ko dito is syempre, meron kaming same culture, same ng background. So, parang kung ano yung nila, yung beliefs nila, yun din yung beliefs ko, syempre. So, yun, umaabot talaga sa point na nagkakaroon ako ng kaibigan, ganun. Pero konti lang naman kasi pili pa rin talaga. Oo. Okay, so ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na hindi ako humihingi ng tulong sa iba. Oo, hindi ako nagpapa-advise sa iba ganun. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero ako kasi since bata pa lang kasi ako na mismo yung humahandle as panganay ako mismo yung humahandle ng family problem namin para maayos yung lumot ng ng parents ko ganun. Kaya sanay ako na kumbaga in terms of struggles and parang challenges, I will say that I'm confidently independent in terms of that. So syempre commonly is yung family ko, ganun. Ako kasi bata pa lang kasi ako, I have a dream na patayuan ng sariling bahay yung both parents ko. Pagtapusin ko yung yung kapatid ko ganun. Patigilin ng pagtatrabaho yung family, yung parents ko ganun. Tapos actually yun yung plano ko talaga na nakaset na, pero wala pa akong na set na procedures kung paano ko siya i-attain ganun. Pero yun talaga yung gusto ko. Gustong-gusto ko na na ako mismo yung gagastos para sa pamilya ko. Ganun.
I'm Jacob Junan Alviana. I'm a first year student from College of Forestry. I'm currently taking forestry, Bachelor of Science of Forestry major in agroforestry.
So the first question for you is
May time na mas gusto kong ako lang yung mag-study or mag-learn. Pero may mga ibang subject kasi na kailangan mo talaga yung kasama mo, which is kagaya ng math. Then, for me, okay lang sa akin, ako lang din kasi na Google and internet is open sa lahat. For me, minsan extrovert, minsan introvert. Pero more on extrovert ako. Kasi na more on friendly ako sa mga tao at maingay din ako, makulete. Wala naman. For me, na sobrang madami akong coping mechanism dyan. Sometimes na pumupunta ako sa mga kaibigan ko, so lumalabas kami. So mas napofocus ko yung pagiging happy namin magkakaibigan. Then pag ako lang din naman na, I tend to watch videos and TikToks and YouTube. Yun, or eating them. Yun. For me kasi is medyo may pagka-chill ako sa pag-aaral. Yung kasi dapat makasali ako sa mga games or gano'n. Kasi picture ko sanang mag-choose sa ibang subject. So yung goal ko is mapunta sa ibang college para ibang college. So yun yung goal ko, mag-aral na mabuti din. So diba, I'm from forestry, so I want to mag-shift sa nursing. Yun. So,
hello, I am Alawi Muhammad Ryan. I'm from the College of Social Sciences and Humanities, taking up a Bachelor of Arts major in English Language Studies. I am currently a freshman student.
So the first question for you is
So, method of studying, I think I find more effective is lectures because since I am a first year student, so I think having been lectured is actually one of the most effective because I actually not on the point of my life where I could where I could producing meanings or like discussing topics without being lectured beforehand by based on the topic. So I think the most effective one is being lectured first. I consider myself not as introvert and not as an extrovert. I think I'm in the middle of, yes, what do you call it? I'm ambivert or ambivert. I think that is. I consider myself as in the middle of that because there are points or there are times of my life where I feel introvert, and there are those times where I feel extroverted. So
Those you're comfortable.
yes. As a mirror now, there are multiple things that these traditions or cultures that I've grown up with has changed or has molded my perspective in learning. But I think it is more into the positive side of having this type of culture of being a Maranao that has molded me because as we know before, we used to be a marginalized group. Maranao people are a marginalized group. Basically, we live in a rural area. I used to live in a rural area where I would say we have lack access of quality education. So, in that way, being a Maranao led me to thinking that I should learn. I should do my studies well so that I would at some point in the near future I would help my community to grow and not be marginalized. I see the specific strategies or things that I do. I would say I think it applies to everyone that resting or sleeping is a one way coping mechanism to like relieve stress from relieve academic stress. And for me also applicable yung sleeping, and then as an athlete I often play volleyball, and that has been my coping mechanism to like relieve my stress every time that I have 8 to 4 schedule, and then after that I would go to here grandstand to play volleyball, and that relieves my stress. A lot of things has motivated me, but one big factor that has motivated me is to uplift the name of my family. Because as a person who lived in a I wouldn't consider ourselves poor, but in the middle class, who live in a family where yes, we could afford food, but not the family that people consider as rich, as educated. I wanted to uplift the name of my family because I don't want people judging us for being like poor family or what. And then I wanted to like give back to my parents for like molding me this way.
So, yun lang po. Thank you so much. Can you state your name, college, and year?
So my name is Mati, first year college from Bachelor of Early Childhood Education.
So, here are the questions for you.
Okay, for me, it is important, just like the other reporter na, it is really important to work with how you see, how you hear, and how you do the activities. Because when you are seeing also, when you are seeing only like the visual aid without the hearing, na the learnings must not be, hindi talaga effective yung ganon. So may instance naman na when you are listening but you don't see or you don't cite the evidence or the visual, na parang hindi rin effective. So when you do a learnings, or if you want to learn new things to be effective, then it must be work with seeing, how you see, how you hear, and how you do the activities. For me, both, because yes, because sometimes I feel na I want to be lonely. Na gusto ko, ayokong i-share. I want to, find myself first. I want to talk to myself. I want to evaluate myself na why such thing na nangyayari. Ba't ganito, ganyan. And then sometimes, when it comes to school na, I always choose to being extrovert, like the way na I participated during activities, and sometimes sinasabihan ako bida-bida, which is no, it's not. Actually, if you try to approach me na, I'm very approachable naman. If I can help you, I can help. And also, being an extrovert is not my totally type, but I want to boost my confidence. I want to build my self-esteem. I want to enhance or improve my knowledge rather. And also, how I socialize with others is gusto ko na parang fair lang. We are living in a society na we are same. We're a person. And also, being an extrovert is also my type right now. Like parang ini-enjoy ko siya the way na nakakamit ako, nakakabanda ko ng ibang tao. I'm not that type of a children, rather na wealthy. Hindi kami mayaman, we're not have a lot of money, but in our culture, in our tradition as Zumranao, or for us, sa family namin, they said na my knowledge or my IQ level is coming from my grandparents. And for me, I agree with that, because my grandparents also have a better, the way na nag-learn sila ng new things is parang natutuwa ko a lot from them by their experience, the way they explain those things from me. Like parang sinasabi ko, I learn from them. Those, yung iba na nalalaman ko, the way na ina-apply ko dito sa school or my current situation right now, the way na naalala ko yung previous background of my family or previous background and learnings ko is parang I learned a lot coming from my past, from my experience, and from my culture and from my home. That's okay for me as a college student right now, kasi di ba, when we are in junior or in elementary days, we don't have really much stress about ACADS. But for me, when I become parang inuuna ko yung ACADS ko for now, and I'm really stressed about something na hindi ko ma-achieve the way, kasi sinasabi nila I'm a multitasker, na kinakaya ko lahat, although there's circumstances na sinasabi nila, but parang di mo na kaya, di ba sabi mo you can do everything or you can do anything. So for me, isa sa way ko to overcome my stress or to calm myself is the way I dance. Because I love dancing. The way I dance, I can express my emotions, my feelings, and the way also I sing, because I'm a singer. Hi, shout out, Cherries. If you want to hear my songs, then I can check this. Actually, I've made a song about myself, about my challenges, and I'm so proud when I finished that song. And also doing a volleyball, because volleyball, when I'm inside the court, like I feel like I'm really happy. I'm being comfortable showing my skill, showing my talent on this specific sport, and everything nandun ako sa court, nakakalimutan ko yung problems ko, nakakalimutan ko yung kanina na nangyari. Like parang sinasabi ko, I'm inside the court, so I have to enjoy and win the game in order for the team. So that's my mindset when I play in the court. I really love question. Also, I really love to answer that my motivation when it comes to my studies is my parents. Because my parents is the one I can lay on, the one I can share my problems, the one I can cry on shoulder on, the one I'm comfortable to share with my problems, anything. My parents, kasi I want them to be proud of me. I want to make them proud na hindi lang ito yung kaya ko, and I want to overcome their expectation na yung expect nila sa akin is marriage ko yun, and I want them to be happy kasi si abi ko, the way na nagkasakit siya, then lahat ng support na binigay niya, gusto ko hindi yun nasayang. That's why, sa tuwing napapagod ako, binabalikan ko talaga saan ako nag-start, and binabalikan ko bakit ako andito, and why I do such thing na nilalaban ko pa rin till now. So, pag nangyayari sa utak ko yun, or pag tinatanong ko sa utak yun, they always their question na, oh, I do this for my parents. That's all. Thank you.
Can you state your name, college, and year?
I am Ahmad Pandaman from College of Business Administration and Accountancy, a second year student.
The first question for you, sir, is
So, as someone na palaging late na sa study and nagka-cram is, I usually study sa pag midnight na or sa madaling araw because I believe na yung brain natin is productive pag sa time na yun din. Pag nagsa-study ako is, lagi pag-usap ako sa sarili ko to make it clearly in my mind para mas madali kong matandaan yung mga lessons ko. I consider myself as an introvert, pero pag I am comfortable with the people that I am with, nagiging extrovert ako.
okay. So the third question is,
Same now, we're known for being hospitable to others. So while studying Unimisio, I adopt that personality to bond with others. To relieve stress, I usually stroll lang sa outside and pray. I think praying is the most important factor that we have in dealing with stress.
The last question, what motivates you to succeed in your studies?
What motivates me to succeed in my studies is those things that make me do more, which is my family. Sila yung dahilan kung ba't nagpupursig ako sa pag-aaral dito sa MSU.
thank you for cooperating with us. Sir, can you please state your name, course, and year?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Saripudin Diguro Haji Jalal from College of Information and Computing Sciences, second year student from IT department, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Database System.
The first question is, what methods of studying or learning do you find most effective?
So, based on my experience po, ang methods of studying that I've experienced very effective for me is what we call the repetition. Kapag paulit-ulit ko pong binabasa yung lesson is madali ko na lang po siyang tinatandaan. Minsan nakakalimutan ko, di ko napapansin na yung labi ko na lang talaga ay yung nagsasalita. While nakalimutan ko talaga siya, pero dahil dun sa repetition na ginawa ko, parang nasana yung labi ko, yung dila, at saka yung labi ko na stay or sabihin yung isang word even though hindi ko siya matandaan. So that's the power of repetition.
Second question, would you consider yourself more introvert or extrovert?
I would consider myself as an introvert, but sometimes extrovert. It depends on the people whom I interacting with. For example, is kung introvert man yung isang tao, is magiging introvert din ako. Then kung extrovert siya, then fine. It's fine for me na maging extrovert din ako. So yun.
Third question is, how was your cultural background shape your learning?
So, dahil po sa culture natin as a Maranao, dahil doon, nasi-shape niya yung, dahil sa culture ng mga Maranao, nasi-shape po niya yung study ba yun? Study? Yung pag-aaral ko sa pamamagitan ng kung ano ang nakasanayan ng mga Maranao. Like for example is in our sa mga ingat sa basak areas, yung mga madrasa doon is kung ano talaga yung nakaugalian na pag-study ng mga bata is yun na talaga yung some of them, not all, yun talaga yung dadalhin nilang way ng kanilang pag-aaral dito sa MSU.
So the fourth question is, what strategies do you use to manage your stress or anxiety?
Ano kaya? So,
Related to your academics or college life.
So, pag na-stress ako, I think watching funny videos is a good way of relieving my stress, and also yung when I went home, yung mga pamangkin ko, nakikipaglaro ako sa kanila, at saka yung pusa namin na napaka-energetic. Yun.
So the last one is, what motivates you to succeed in your studies?
Of course, ang nagpapamotivate sa akin to finish my studies here in MSU is my family, especially my parents, my mom and my dad. Sila po kasi yung pinaguhugutan ko ng lakas every time na sinasabi nila sa akin na kailangan mong makapagtapos kasi sa inyong magkakapatid, walang nakapagtapos. So ikaw lang ang unang nakatungtong sa kanila. Ikaw lang yung lalaking unang nakatungtong sa kanila ng kolehiyo. So kailangan pagsikapan mong matapos yan. Kasi kung hindi mo matatapos ang kolehiyo, walang makakatulong sa inyo kundi ang sarili niyo lamang.
So thank you so much for cooperating with us. So ma'am, can you state your name, college, and year?
So, good afternoon. I am Jennifer Silvia Puan. I'm from the College of Health Sciences, currently taking Bachelor of Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
So here are the questions for you. So what methods of study or learning do you find most effective?
Any? What are the choices?
Visual aids, lectures,
Kung ano for learning?
yeah.
Every exam? So, I prefer
Ano ba?
Review.
Most effective.
effective.
Yeah.
I think every time na mag-review ko sa gabi. Kasi they said naman na every midnight na mas gumagana yung contact na din. So, I prefer gabi ako nagre-review din. Alam mo yung ginagamit ko na method is yung parang kinakausap ko yung sarili ko sa salamin. Then, I will discuss yung mga minimemorize ko para ma-retain siya sa utak ko.
So the second question is, would you consider yourself more introvert or extrovert?
So, I would consider myself as an extrovert because most of the time is nasa labas ako. Then, kung makikita niyo ako sa street is mostly is marami kong kasama din. Parang nalalabas ko yung sarili ko when I'm with them.
The third one is, how has your cultural background shaped your learning experiences and perspectives?
So, I think, i-connect ko siya sa papa ko since laging pag umuwi ako, every time na umuwi ako na lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin na pagbutihin ko yung pag-aaral ko dahil para yun sa akin. Since meron rin namang sa ingid na parang kailangan may ibubuga ka, kailangan may achievement ka, kailangan hindi ka magpapahuli. So, parang yun na rin yung nag-push sa akin.
Fourth question is, what strategies do you use to manage stress or anxiety related to academics or college life?
So, since I'm a nursing student na sobrang hassle ng schedule ko, araw-araw may pasok, minsan may duty, so wala talaga akong rest. So, minsan kapag sobrang stress na ako na parang kailangan ko na may paglalabasan, minsan is ginagawa ko is stress eating. Minsan din, yung pagka-stress ko is tinutulog ko na lang. Yun yung nangyayari.
So the last question is, what motivates you to succeed in your studies?
Of course, my family. Yun yung reason kung bakit nagpapakapagod ako, nag-aral ako ng mabuti. I'm aiming for the best dahil para sa kanila in the near future.
So, thank you so much for cooperating with us.